Alright, we planted this bed 2 years ago. It jumped out, it's all in the aisle, spreading everywhere. So this year, we're going to actually reseed them. So I'm going to plant just the root, cut off all the old shoots, and transplant them over here. And then we're going to have something for them to grow up instead of down. So there's the first root. Look at that. And how old are these strawberries in the family?
100 years or more.
100 years. They just keep reproducing. We keep giving them away.
They're ever-bearing is the,
Yep.
name that they gave me.
We get like 3 or 4 different cycles of picking.
This was my great-grandmother's strawberries.
Alright, and these little red rocks, spray paint some rocks, put them around the strawberries. And birds like to pick your berries. Alright, PETA, I hope you're not hearing this. But if the bird swoops down and tries to steal your berry, and they hit the rock every once in a while, they're not going to want to bother your berries.
And you want to go up to the crown, you don't want to bury the crown.
So, replanting strawberries. We have a lot. Alright, we'll show you the results when we're done. Okay, well, this bed is ready. Alright. It's going to totally take over. That's all we transplanted. We have so much more that needs to be given away, sold, go put somewhere else. So I might just dig some up, put them in a bucket of water, and see who wants some. Alright, and that's a wrap for today's strawberry transplant. We hope they grow right up the trellis and not out the side like they did last year. They definitely provided a lot of strawberries. Look at all that. Strawberries and mint. They totally take over the garden. Alright, potato bed. Halfway planted. We need to till this one. Still last year's straw in it. Probably the tomato bed. You want to see my worms? So we make our own worm castings. They love cardboard, potatoes, leaves, eggshells, bananas, all fruit. Okay, ready? Can't hold it. Hey, little wormies. You making me some nice, rich soil? Nutrients for the garden? Hi there. Well, yep, that's our worm bucket. So we save our coffee grounds, our potatoes, sorry about the finger, eggshells, grapes, strawberries, blueberries, apples, actually pasta and oatmeal. You got your coffee ground paper in there. And there have been times that we've seen things growing in here too, like a potato or something. But we got a good amount of worms. About 2 years ago they all left me. I had to reestablish them. But you can see all the little baby ones in there. I know, gross to some people. This is beautiful to others. Nice and rich.